Today we embark on a virtual journey to the heart of Europe, Bulgaria, a country blessed with breathtaking sceneries. Nestled in southeastern Europe, Bulgaria is a hidden gem, where the charm of old meets the thrill of the new. Known for its diverse landscapes, this country is a mosaic of majestic mountains, serene lakes, historic towns, and dramatic coastlines. Our journey will take us through some of the most spectacular sights Bulgaria has to offer. We'll scale the heights of the Rila mountain, a rugged beauty that dominates the landscape with its snow-capped peaks and expansive forests. Here, nature's grandeur unfolds in every season, from the blooming wildflowers in spring to the winter wonderland that descends upon the slopes. Next, we'll navigate the crystal-clear waters of the 7 Rila lakes, each lake with its unique charm and story to tell. Nestled high in the mountains, these glacial lakes are a sight to behold, their tranquil beauty inspiring countless legends and tales. From the heights of the mountains, we'll descend upon the historic Plovdiv Old Town. Here, every cobblestone street and ancient building is a testament to Bulgaria's rich history, a walk through time that takes us back to the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman eras. Our journey then takes us to the edge of the country, to Cape Kaliakra, where the sea meets the sky in a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. This dramatic coastline, with its steep cliffs and turquoise waters, is a sight that will stir your soul. Lastly, we'll marvel at the Belogradchik rocks, nature's masterpiece that has been sculpted over millions of years. These bizarre and beautiful rock formations are a testament to the sheer force and beauty of nature, a sight that will leave you in awe. So buckle up as we embark on this scenic journey, exploring the wonders that Bulgaria has to offer. From the highest peaks to the deepest seas, from ancient towns to natural wonders, there's a world waiting to be discovered. Prepare to be mesmerized by the first stop on our scenic tour, the Rila Mountain. Rila Mountain, the highest mountain range in Bulgaria and the Balkans, is our first stop. Imagine a place where the air is so fresh that it fills your lungs with pure vitality, where the vistas of snow-capped peaks mingling with the azure sky leave you breathless. This is Rila Mountain, a crown jewel of Bulgaria's natural beauty. As we journey through this paradise, we are greeted by lush, verdant forests that spread out like an emerald carpet, teeming with diverse flora and fauna that add a vibrant pulse to this serene landscape. The gentle rustle of leaves, the sweet songs of birds, and the soothing whispers of the wind all contribute to the symphony of nature that echoes throughout Rila Mountain. But what truly sets Rila Mountain apart are its pristine, crystal-clear lakes. These glacial mirrors reflect the grandeur of the surrounding peaks, creating a spectacle of unrivaled beauty. Each lake tells a unique story, yet all share a common trait, a tranquility that resonates deep within the soul, a silence that speaks volumes. And nestled in the heart of this mountain range is the Rila Monastery, a testament to Bulgaria's rich history and cultural heritage. This architectural marvel, with its intricate frescoes and imposing fortress-like structure, stands as a beacon of spirituality amidst the wilderness. The Rila Monastery is not just a place of worship but a sanctuary of peace and contemplation. As we explore the monastery's grand halls and tranquil courtyards, we can't help but feel a deep sense of awe. The silence is punctuated only by the soft tolling of bells, the gentle flutter of prayer flags, and the distant murmur of monks in prayer. This is a place where time seems to stand still, where the past and present converge in a beautiful harmony. Having scaled the heights of Rila Mountain, we now descend to the mystical beauty of the 7 Rila lakes. But remember, this is just the beginning of our journey. There are many more wonders to discover, many more stories to share as we continue to explore the breathtaking scenery of Bulgaria. Nestled high in the Rila Mountain, the 7 Rila lakes are a marvel to behold. Each one of these glacial lakes is a mirror reflecting the majestic peaks and vast skies, each with its own story to tell, each with its unique allure. Let's start with the highest of them all, the Ter, named for its clear waters that allow for a view straight to the bottom. As if it's shedding tears for the world below, it's a symbol of purity and transparency. Descending further, we encounter the Eye. This is the deepest of the 7 lakes, its depth reaching nearly 80 feet. It's as if the mountain itself is watching over the land, its gaze unblinking and full of wisdom. Next in line is the Kidney, named for its distinctive shape. This lake is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, with its shores offering the perfect spot for a quiet moment of reflection. The Twin is the largest of the 7. It's as if Mother Nature herself couldn't pick her favorite mirror, so she created 2 in 1. Its waters are almost always calm, reflecting the serenity of the surrounding landscape. The trefoil is a peculiar sight, its shape resembling a clover leaf. It's a reminder of the whimsy and unpredictability of nature, always ready to surprise and delight us. Next we find the Fish Lake, the shallowest of the seven. It's a favorite among the local fish species, adding an element of life and movement to the stillness of the mountain. Finally we reach the Lower Lake, the lake that collects the waters from its siblings above and sends them down in a stream. It's the end of a journey and the beginning of another, a testament to the endless cycle of nature. From the tranquil beauty of the Seven Rila Lakes, we travel next to the charming Plovdiv Old Town. Join us as we continue to explore the breathtaking sceneries that Bulgaria has to offer. Plovdiv Old Town, a living museum, greets us with its colorful houses and cobblestone streets. As we wander through this labyrinth of history, we are transported back in time, to an era where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. The town is a vibrant tapestry of history, woven together by the threads of several civilizations. Thracians, Greeks, Romans, Byzantines and Ottomans have all left their indelible marks here, creating a rich cultural mosaic that's as captivating as it is diverse. In the heart of the old town we find the ancient Roman theater, a relic of a bygone era that still resonates with the echoes of the past. This architectural masterpiece, built nearly 2,000 years ago, continues to captivate with its awe-inspiring grandeur. Imagine the echoes of applause reverberating through the amphitheater, as performers of yesteryears grace the stage under the Mediterranean sun. What's remarkable about Plovdiv is not just its rich history, but also its vibrant art scene. This town is a haven for artists and creatives, with its narrow streets and quaint houses providing the perfect backdrop for inspiration. Art galleries, studios and workshops line the streets, each one a window into the soul of this charming town. The spirit of creativity that permeates Plovdiv is as palpable as the cobblestones under our feet. As we stroll through the town's charming streets, we are greeted by the sight of beautifully preserved Renaissance houses, their colorful facades a testament to the town's prosperous past. These houses, with their unique architectural style, are a vibrant reminder of the town's rich cultural heritage. Our journey through Plovdiv is not just a walk through its streets, but a journey through time, a brush with history, and a rendezvous with art. Every corner of this town is a postcard from the past, a snapshot of history that's been beautifully preserved for us to cherish. Leaving the historic charm of Plovdiv behind, we venture to the dramatic cliffs of Cape Kaliakra. The journey continues, but the memories of Plovdiv remain, etched in our hearts, a reminder of a town where history and art live side by side. Cape Kaliakra, with its steep cliffs and deep blue sea, is a sight to behold. This easternmost point of Bulgaria is where the sea and sky become one, creating an enchanting panorama that captivates the soul. But it's not just the breathtaking views that make Cape Kaliakra unique. It's also a haven for bird enthusiasts. Here, you can witness a diverse array of bird species, from the majestic white stork to the vibrant European bee-eater. Every chirp, every flight, adds a melodious rhythm to the symphony of nature. The Cape is also steeped in legendary history. It's said that 40 maidens tied their hair together and jumped off the cliff to avoid capture by the Ottomans. Their sacrifice is remembered in the name Kaliakra, which translates to beautiful headland. From the stunning Cape Kaliakra, we move to our final stop, the otherworldly Belogradchik Rocks. Stay with us as we continue to unveil Bulgaria's scenic wonders. The Belogradchik Rocks, nature's own sculpture garden, concludes our scenic journey in Bulgaria. These fascinating formations, each with their unique shape, are like a silent symphony of nature's artistry. Some see them as a frozen moment from a forgotten time, others as a testament to the power of the elements. Legends swirl around these rocks, each more captivating than the last, adding a touch of mystery to their inherent beauty. As we conclude our journey, remember, Bulgaria is just one gem in Europe's scenic crown. Bulgaria's scenic beauty is a testament to Europe's diverse landscapes. We've journeyed through paradise peaks, mirrored mountains, historic walkways, and where the sea meets the sky. Each location, a masterpiece of nature, showcasing Bulgaria's unique splendor. But the journey doesn't end here. There are countless scenic wonders across Europe waiting to be discovered. Which area of Europe should we explore next? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to journey with us through more scenic wonders.